first you tin your wire. Notice that I don't put the solder here, I don't put it there, I don't put it right on the tip, I don't put it on the wire, I put it right where the tip meets the wire. Until I see it flowing. See how I'm moving? Now I know the entire piece has got solder on it. Now you tin your connection. Same thing, I'm trying to, there we go. One thing to point out, take a look at these little tabs there and there. Those are the stops. Your wire cannot go past that line. So if I was actually to scribe a line in there, burn my finger, your wire cannot go past that line. Now we'll drop the wire in. Battery, and we'll line these guys up. See how my wire stops right before those. If you go past it, you don't have to unsolder it. You can actually just take a razor blade or a grinder to it and grind off the excess that's past the tab. I've done that before. And now we hit it all together, give it a little more solder. And that's it. I don't really like that. I'm going to give a little upwards pressure here as I reheat it. There we go. When you're doing batteries, once you've done one side, go ahead and put it in the connector. Don't cut this and try and solder it and leave the two gold contacts exposed, because you will arc and you will have a problem. You're not going to have a good time. Okay, so now we take this and make sure I'm lined up with negative, and I want it orientated this way. Okay, shove it in, grab your driver, push down on the back side so you can see. There we go, I'm going to push in on there, and if it doesn't click, then you've got too much wire on the front. It should come right to the front of the edge of the connector. Okay, now we'll trim off positive side. And we'll strip it back. I use Miller strippers for everything, guys. They're the best, $11. Last usually under professional use. The strippers will last about a year. Okay, all that done. Tune the wire. Again, same thing. See where I put the solder to start flowing. Okay. Done. Grab my pre-tinned connection. Move the battery over there a bit. Okay, it's good and lined up. A little closer. A little up pressure, and I'm done. That's it. That's the quick way to solder. Now we'll insert into the connector. The reason why you tin too is that you're actually applying less overall heat to it, less risk of melting down the connector, melting the plastic on the wire, and so it's very quick that way. It's more like a weld. There's a click.